Are you finding it challenging to come up with different content like tips to use on your social media, whether it's for Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn or any of those other platforms? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to easily generate, let's say, 20 different social posts with unique content in less than 2 minutes. So let's hop right into it. So if you're familiar with Canva, very amazing tool. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right hand side. We're going to say create a design, but in this case, we're going to create a document. Now, Canva has this new feature called Magic Write. So you can hit the little plus sign here, click on Magic Write, and it's going to be an AI example. So I'm going to say write 20 tips for using content to market in your business. Now you can ask it to do anything. It could be 10 tips, it could be 15 tips, whatever you want. But basically just make it very specific to the topic that you want. You're going to hit enter and it's going to start to do its magic just like it's intended here. So it takes a few seconds and it will then generate these tips for us here on the screen. So there we go. There are the tips on the screen. You can go and read through them and adjust them if you want, but in most cases, they're pretty much ready to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy them to the clipboard, and we're going to hop over to Google Sheets, and we're just going to paste them into Google Sheets. And the reason for that is we wanted each tip to be on a separate line. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to export that or download it as a CSV file. There we go. Now it's downloaded. Let's hop back to Canva. We can go ahead and come back to the main screen. And what we're going to do now is we are going to look for, let's say, tips. We're going to try to find a design that's going to work for this, one that we like. So we're going to scroll through here. And let's see if we can find one that we like here. Oh, that's fine. Let's just use this one here for the sake of this example. We're going to customize this template. And I'm going to go ahead in here and maybe we'll change the background of the color here to match our brand color. And if that's the case, then we're going to change this all to white. So the key with this is you're going to generate the very first one that's in here, just like that. Now, in the content, what we're going to do here is we're going to go down to the left-hand side under Apps. Once we're in the Apps section, we are going to look for Bulk Create. And that's going to bring up an app, and we're going to say Bulk Create. We're going to click on that, and it says Add Data to your file. So we're going to go upload a CSV file. I'm going to pick that one we just exported. There we go, one data file, and utilize this. Perfect. So once we're done there, it says right click the content that we want here, and then we're going to say connect data, and this is the one we have here. So just like that. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to then put this merge field in here. So we're going to keep in mind that some of these may be larger. So for example, this one here was the largest one, and it's great when you're using a spreadsheet like this because then you can see kind of the size. So in this case, if it's going to fit within the design on the first one, and another tip might be make your longest one your first one that's in there, then you're good to go. Okay, now once we're done there, we're going to hit continue. There they all are. Now you could at this point like uncheck the ones that are there that you don't want, but in this case we're going to use them all. And it says generate 19 pages, and we're going to go ahead and do that. And Canva is going to do its thing. And just like that, we are going to be left with 19 different tips. Now, some of the short ones may not be balanced, so you might want to go through and just adjust them before you export them. But it is as simple as that to create content using Canva in as little as 2 minutes.